main entrance to our clinic, which will be eyes first, los ojos. Here is our main door and the ramp, which people will be able to come up in wheelchairs. As you first enter, we'll have a little reception area. This room will lead into the bunk room, but the people will pass through the bunk rooms and then over to the main room where we'll do the evaluations, sign the patients in before they go into their operation. As we enter to the clinic, we have 2 bathrooms. The outside one will be for the patients, and once they pass through the operating room, there'll be a window to view surgeries, and there's another bathroom for the surgeons and a wash center. This will be the operating room, which will have 3 stations, 3 chairs. Our first step will be to epoxy coat the walls and ceiling, and then lay our tile. The doctors will have a dedicated closet with locked door, so they'll be able to store all their equipment and supplies. Just another view from the OR. Much work to do, but it will get done, and we're hoping in September people can be having cataract surgeries and other eye procedures. As we leave the operating room, this will be our facility for missionaries, for sleeping quarters. Here's the girls' dorm room with bunk beds. And then we head across to the boys' dorms, the men's dorms. We're installing some metal guardrails now. And the other part to the second story will be the boys' dorm rooms. The church next door, Pacto Nuevo, uses this for training, for Bible scriptures for their students, and for their los niños, the young ones. The back entrance to our facility has 2 security gates, and over on the right is our dock where we can load our lumber and offload our lumber to go to the job sites. Left of our facility is the Pacto Nuevo Church, an Assembly of God church run by Pastor Danny. Inside our courtyard on the left is our tool room and our supply room, and on the right here is our materials room. We store all the lumber, scaffoldings, sawhorses, etc. Shows the male dorm, boys' dorm rooms, and the famous Lupe palm tree. We recently added a solid door. Before, we only had a screen door, security door, that led out into the courtyard where we parked the cars. We have an office here for the Futuro del Oro, and Jack Hale has a desk. This is our dining room, which is joined here by the kitchen. Eventually we will tile the entire dining room just like the kitchen. To the dining room, and it leads us to our 2 bathrooms, the men on the right, and then the women's locker room and showers on the left. Look up. All right. Nice work.
Okay, here we go.
Done.